Hi everyone, my name is Karen Rodriguez. I'm a Client Relationship Manager here at Race Dental. What I'd like to go through with you today is our easy, free, Australia-wide online pickup. So we're just going to jump onto our website, which you will find at racedental.com.au. Once you jump in there, it's just a really simple matter of doing a quick fill out of a form. So you can see on our website here, there's some great resources tabs. You can download our product catalogue. There's some great news about all of our upcoming educations and events. But today what we'd like to do is focus on our free pickups. So if you jump onto that tab there on the right hand side, it's just a really simple matter of filling out your details. If you log into your account, these will actually, as you can see, I have done this before, so these will actually automatically fill out for you, and it's something that you won't have to continually do. So it works out really quick and really easy for you. Just popping in your address there. Let's just go with that, and that will also autofill everything out there for you. Any messages that you have here for us, perhaps if you need to close early and you're going to be leaving it at a premises next door, you can just pop those notes in there for us. And that way that will then get passed on to the courier company. Depending on where Australia you are doing your collection from, we use two courier companies. One is Toll, and that is done for our country New South Wales, and also for our interstate clients. So all I need you to do here is go in and pop either a 1, 3 or 5 kilo satchel. So the 1 kilo satchel, that you'll be able to fit one of our orange race boxes in there, and up to a 5 kilo where you can fit up to 4 boxes in there. And if you're in our Sydney metro area, it's just a simple matter of Pick and Go logistics. Again, just pop in here where it will be filled out. If it is somewhere other than the surgery, you can just pop other locations and we'll know to look at the message that you popped in there. Just your opening hours, and if you're closed for lunch at all, just pop that information in there. Hit submit the booking, and what will happen, that'll go through to our friendly customer support team. And if you are with Toll, you will get a con note and a manifest back, and it's just a simple matter of popping that onto your bag. And if you're with Go Logistics, it will just be a simple matter. You'll get a pickup number that will come back to you. If you are having any issues with the pickups at all, please feel free to email us at customersupport@racedental.com.au, or you can always give us a call on our toll-free number, which is 1300 722 352. Thanks.